Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and welcome to day 9 of my 30 Days of Refashions. Today we are talking about paint, and I love painting things. It is one of the easiest and quickest ways to update something in your home that's maybe not looking so great anymore, or you just don't like the color of it anymore. Paint it, easy peasy. So I'm going to share my top painting tips, and if you want to have the same dramatically awesome results with your wardrobe without buying any new clothing, I highly recommend joining my wardrobe revolution. The link will be down below. But for now, let's have a look around my house and find all the things that need to be painted. And here we are down in my little basement studio, and this chair and my lovely chair that I sit in to do all the behind the scenes work at my desk there were all roadside finds that I then upstyled. And this one here, you can see definitely needs a repaint, so this one's going to come upstairs with me. This one is totally fine and still looking absolutely awesome, this lovely vintage chair that I redid. And here we are. Look at this. That for sure needs a redo. There, let me just move my wonderful back and bottom cushions there. But this one here, you would not believe what it looks like before, and I shall link below for the tutorials for this one and that one over there, so you can go see exactly how I upstyled and upcycled these. But for now, let's go fix this. This is where Mr. Skelly loves to put his paws up and, you know, wants me to snuggle him while I'm working. So this definitely needs a repaint. And you may remember this absolutely, hello, you can see me in the glass, absolutely stunning vintage buffet hutch cabinet that I got a couple of years ago, and it is still awesome. Of course, I had to do a super clean, and I painted the legs gold because they were definitely needing a paint job, and I did these lovely drawer pulls gold as well, but one of them, the paint came off here. I have no idea why, but it's good because now I can show you my tips for painting drawer knobs. And now we're in my bedroom, and here is my lovely bedside table. It is clearly super vintage and super awesome. I got it for literal cents at a garage sale years ago, and it's been painted a couple of different colors since then because it really needed a hand. And orange, though, is my favorite because it goes with my lovely sunshiny yellow walls, my curtains, my wonderful DIY headboard there, and it's just a very happy color to wake up to and go to sleep to every night. Anyway, so somebody got some nail polish on here, and as you can see, it was me. And there's also some paint nicks out from, you know, when I put my book there or a glass of water or whatever. And so this needs a paint freshening up as well. And now you just want to flip your chairs over and find the screws. I need a flashlight to see what type of screws these are because it's so old and dark down there. And that looks like a flathead, so I have my flathead screwdriver. So now I'm just going to remove the screws, and then the seat will come off very easily. And here's my quick tip for painting handles and knobs and anything you use to pull drawers and cupboards open. All you have to do is attach it to a piece of scrap cardboard, and then when you put it down, you see it stands up by itself and it's not going to blow over, and you have free reign to get every single nook and cranny and crevice with your paint. So because I cannot remove this back part of the chair here, which if you pop over to the tutorial on my blog to see how I recovered, repainted, and just made this as awesome as it is now, you'll know why I can't remove it. But because I can't, I simply covered it with some plastic that I just had sitting in my stash forever, because the only parts I have to paint are here, here, and here. The rest of the chair is absolutely fine. Okay, I understand not everybody is going to have this wonderful extensive collection of paint and spray paint under their sink downstairs, but I do a lot of upcycling and refashioning. Clearly, it's literally my job. So anytime I have leftovers, of course I keep it, and of course you're going to keep, especially when you do painting your furniture. You want to keep whatever you have left so you can fix and do all the little touch-ups like I'm going to do today. So now I just have to find my paint, and I think it was, yes, the berry, and we need the gold, and we need the black, and we need the orange. And then I give everything a good sanding and a good cleaning to get rid of any bloopy bits or dust. And then I simply paint away. And I am always so shocked at how something as simple as a fresh paint job can really make an item look brand new. So I guess this is a case of use what you have to fix or improve what you want. And you see, everything just looks fabulous. And look at how gorgeous my bedside table is. And I wanted to show you this as well. These are the original knobs that were on this table when I bought it years ago at a garage sale. And at that time they were super rusted, so I cleaned them as best I could. And then I just painted them with nail polish, and they are still looking just as awesome as the day that I painted them. You see how, look at, I am always shocked at how easy it is to upcycle and refashion. Like, those were things that I have had for years, and either I found them in the garbage, I got them super cheap at a garage sale, or again, I don't even remember where I got them. I've had them so long. But the dramatic results that have been achieved are, I'm speechless, especially with my awesome pink chair. And as I said, the links to those full tutorials for how I did both of those chairs will be down below. But you see how easy it is to just give something a coat of paint and make it truly your own without spending any money at all. And again, you can do that with your wardrobe as well. You don't have to buy any new clothes. You don't even have to go to the thrift store. You can join my wardrobe revolution, and I am there to guide you step by step by step by step, even if you don't know how to sew. Everything is in there, and then at the end, you get me in person, which is, I think, the best part of all. And I am so excited to get to meet you. And don't forget, Sunday, September 14th is my birthday, and I am doing a live celebration on my channel. The link will be down below. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.